Today I wanted to take you through the PPP temporary traffic management sign software. Let's start by designing a sign, and you can enter the text from a PC keyboard, or if you're on a tablet or a phone, use the on-screen keyboard. Now we've chosen a strip size of 900 by 115. There's many others, but reason for that is a popular sign size is 1050 750. Now when we preview that, it basically maximizes the text onto the media itself, and it brings it in at 72 mil X height. We simply click on the image, and we're then given choices depending upon your browser. With mine, I can open the file in Firefox, I can open it with Adobe Acrobat or anything that will open it, or I can save the file. It's a PDF, and it basically you can do what you want with it, but it's all vectored and ready to use. But really with this system, what we're wanting to do is give you, if you like, a direct print option rather than messing about. So there's two ways our system allows you to print. One is using Oki's direct print, and the other is by using our RPI server. And that is a tiny little computer that plugs into your network, and basically you can send files directly to it from the software. Let me demonstrate using Oki's direct print system. So I click direct print. There's a video showing you how to find the IP address of your printer, but I know that my Oki 650 is sitting at this IP address, and I simply enter the IP address and save the printer. There's a video here, and there's the printer installed there. Close this window, and now when I preview, I get another option here. Now this time, when I'm going to save the file, and then I'm going to go to the printer, and I'm going to grab, and you can see the file is there, and when I click open, that will go to the printer and it will print. Simple as that. But the best solution is with the little Pi server. So when I click on, it takes me to the Pi server. I then click manage printers, and basically the little Pi server looks to see what printers are connected to it, both on its network and on its USB. Currently there's a 650 at that IP address we previously used, and there's also a Godex G500 on the USB. We're going to install the Oki, and once that's installed, it will be available to us for making up our signs. So there it's installed. Close that. Now we go back to the sign software again. Design a sign. Preview. And this time we have this button. So no downloading, no messing about. You simply click that button and it prints. Now moving on a little bit on the software, let's see some of the actions that we get. So if we were to type in diversion on Main Street, June 12th to June, let's put 14th. What it will do is fit this onto one piece. If you want to split it automatically, you can define the X height. So let's say you want 50 mil X height. We preview this time, it automatically splits it. But of course, you may not want the strips to look like that. So we're able to do this. And it splits it where you want it. But the key is using the X height to force it, and so you can get auto separation onto the strips. So basically, it's going to fit them as best it can. So it maximizes, as you can see, right across the whole strip. I mean, you could always cut the strips up and position them where you want, but it does allow you that flexibility. And then finally, we have our symbols. So our symbols here are not exhausted in any way, shape, or form. They are a lot of the standard ones. So basically, put a bus, pedestrian, arrow, parking sign, and let's have a look. And there you go. So for example, if you wanted a parking sign, you could do it onto a 300 by 215. That's about the size of A4. In fact, if you take out the X height, there you go. So, as I say, as far as the symbols go, you can have whatever you want, and because there are so many, depends on your application. Anyway, I hope that this has been useful, and if we can be of any help, please email or phone. Thank you.